Hi, it's Chava from Marshall and Light. Today we're going to cover inserting, resizing, and replacing images. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your Pages link as well as your Files link. Now today we're going to be replacing Deanie's picture with a sepia version of the same picture that she requested. So, as you can see, the sepia version of that picture is right here, and we've also opened Deanie's page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Deanie's picture and then click the picture icon. In the image URL box, you see the URL of the actual image that's bringing up Deanie's face. So what we're going to do is we're going to click into the Files tab, open up the picture that Deanie does want, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to copy that URL that brings up Deanie's image. We're going to copy from the word Files all the way to the very end before the quotation mark and press Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac. We're going to go back to Deanie's picture and we're going to paste that into the image URL box. But before we do, make sure you look at what the width of your image is set to. The W equals 150. Right at the end of the URL says that the width of this picture is 150 pixels. You're probably going to want to keep the width the same if you're replacing an image. So highlight the text and press Control-V or Command-V if you're on a Mac. And you see that the W is 200. So, we can just click down into the preview section just to see that image. So we do see that it is updated. But now this says W200. We're just going to resize that to 150. And click down to the preview section. We'll see the updated version of that. That's exactly what we want, so we're going to click Update. And Deanie is now in sepia. So we've now covered replacing an image as well as resizing an image by playing with the W equals and whatever the number is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to insert an image below on Deanie's page. So I'm just going to put my mouse where I'd like my image to be inserted, and I'm going to go back to the Files tab, and I'm going to find a picture that Deanie would like to insert, and I think she's going to want to insert this beautiful green tree. So again, we're going to highlight from Files all the way to the very end, press Control-C or Command-C, go back to Deanie's page, and click the image icon. Now over here there is no URL to replace, so we're just going to paste in our own URL by pressing Control-V or Command-V. And we can click down here to see how it previews, which is pretty small. So maybe we want it to be 500 pixels. Click here. It's a lot bigger. It's even too big for the preview window. So we're going to insert that. And it's asking me if I want to put in an image description, so I will. Green tree. And I'm going to click Insert. And there's that beautiful picture on Deanie's page. I'm going to click Save. We can go to Deanie's live page where we see her colored picture and no image down here. We press Refresh. And Deanie's image has changed to sepia, and the image that we inserted is at the bottom of the page.